Myanmar is a treasure trove for hikers, offering routes that combine breathtaking landscapes, authentic village life, and cultural wonders. Here are two of the best hiking spots in Myanmar that stand out for their scenery, accessibility, and immersive experiences. Inle Lake to Kalaw Trek. This multi-day trek is Myanmar's most celebrated hiking route, connecting the tranquil waters of Inle Lake with the colonial-era hill station of Kalaw. The trail winds through rolling Shan Hills, remote Hpa-An and Palaung villages, and vibrant rice terraces, offering hikers a deep dive into local culture and rural life. Overnights in village homestays or Buddhist monasteries add authenticity and warmth to the journey. The trek is accessible for most fitness levels and can be tailored in length, making it ideal for both seasoned trekkers and those seeking a memorable introduction to Myanmar's countryside. The blend of cultural encounters and natural beauty sets this trek apart from others in the country. Hpa trekking to Palaung villages. Hpa, in northern Shan State, is renowned for its scenic trekking routes that lead to traditional Palaung villages. The trails traverse sunflower-clad hills, tea plantations, and bamboo forests, with options for both day hikes and rewarding overnight stays in local villages or monasteries. Hpa treks are less crowded than the Inle Kalaw route, providing a more tranquil and intimate experience with local cultures and nature. The region's gentle terrain and lush scenery make it suitable for a wide range of hikers.